So the first thing I do is just palpate. And I can feel kind of in her mid-thoracics that it's out of alignment. So I'm going to stretch her obliques a bit. And we're going to adjust right here through this mid-thoracic region. Alright, so breathe in, deep breath. And all the way out. You guys heard that? That adjusted deep in the mid-thoracic. We're going to move a little lower to the TL junction. And breathe out. Got a little bit there. Now we're going to go up to this thoracic region. We're going to adjust. Breathe out. She's done.